Being someone who loves bold South Indian flavors, chicken 65 has always been a favorite in my kitchen. Today I'm making the spicy, crispy, and flavored packed chicken 65, golden and crunchy on the outside, juicy and tender inside. It's a perfect starter for family gatherings or a delicious weekend treat. The chicken is now perfectly marinated. I'll rest it for about 30 minutes so all these beautiful spices can blend in and give us juicy, flavorful chicken. After 30 minutes of marination, the chicken is ready to fry. I'm using chicken thighs, which are a better choice for chicken 65 as they stay juicy and tender compared to chicken breast. Fry in hot oil, then reduce to medium flame and cook until golden and crispy. Frying curry leaves and green chilies brings out their aroma and adds the signature South Indian touch to this chicken 65. This version of chicken 65, it uses a little buttermilk for a slightly moist and flavorful dish. You can make it dry as well, but this style works beautifully as a side dish or a starter, and you should definitely give it a try. For the final tempering, saute ginger, garlic, curry leaves, and green chilies. Add the buttermilk mixture for a slightly moist chicken 65, or keep it dry by simply tossing the fried chicken with the tempering. Cook on low flame until the moisture dries up and the tempering coats the chicken beautifully with all those delicious flavors. Our chicken 65 dish is ready, finished with fried curry leaves and green chilies for that perfect South Indian touch. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to From Shirls Kitchen. Thank you for watching. This is Shirley signing off from Shirls Kitchen. See you in my next recipe.